guys, welcome back. Got Spanky here behind the wheel. Headed out to the Collierville, Tennessee. Cruising tonight. About every second Wednesday of the month. Well, second Wednesday of every month. Should be a pretty good turnout. Roads are still a little damp. It's been raining for the last 12 hours. Still a lot of rain clouds in the sky, but I think it's going to be a great evening. Decided to take the coupe just in case. Didn't really feel like getting another shower today. So let's turn this camera around, see where we're going, and I'll get you there in just a minute, and we'll check it all out. All right, folks, we made it to Collierville, Tennessee. It's only about an hour from the house, and it's only 5 o'clock, and we've already got them packing in. So we're gonna take a little quick walk around and see what's here. And then I hear a dog. People will start be getting off work and start cruising in. I don't know if it's gonna affect it because of the rain or not. Really nice little town right on the railroad track. It's about 20 miles outside of Memphis, Tennessee. That's how I feel some days, like Frankenstein. Sometimes they bring out all the displays. Looks like a little 68. I didn't even read the plaque. Old service station is still in business, rocking and rolling every day. All right, guys, mixed feelings about this. What do you think? Would you or wouldn't you? I don't know. There's what we drove. You guys were with me. Little red Corvette. Pro Street is still alive. Russell's a little car.
And I was like, well, I took that 30,000.
Somebody's checking us out. Well, guys, it was a beautiful night. It didn't rain, and met some new friends and got to see a bunch of old friends. You can't beat street riding, hot riding, or anything that has to do with old cars. Anyway, I hope you find this video fun, and if you don't, then turn the TV off, get out in the garage and go build something. Thanks for watching. See you soon. All right, boys and girls, it's time to head home. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There's a whole bunch more cars came, but as they came, I got to talking, running my mouth, meeting new people and seeing old friends. So I hope you enjoy seeing what you saw. Next time I'll catch more. Thanks for watching.